Knowing how to hold the instrument is key to learning how to play. Why? If you don't hold the instrument correctly, you're going to have a bunch of different pains all over your body. You're going to have shoulder pains, you're going to have back pain, finger pain, a bunch of pains all over the place. So this video is really important. To hold the cuatro, basically what I'm using is a strap, which helps me a little bit with the balance of the instrument. I don't have to worry too much that the instrument is falling. You can also use one of the other traditional straps that go around. That's fine. It's going to help you balance the instrument. You're going to place it right in the center of your body, and you're going to lay it on the leg right here. Next, you're going to stretch out your hand. You're going to relax it. You're going to place it over the instrument. Okay? And that's your plucking hand. Now I'm nice and relaxed. My shoulder is nice and relaxed. My back is nice and relaxed, nice and straight. And I'm just holding the instrument. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Next, my fretting hand. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stretch out my hand. Make sure it's nice and relaxed. And I'm going to get it ready to play. The key of the fretting hand has to do with the thumb. You have to place the thumb right here in the center. And that's going to help you relax the hand and make sure that the notes are flowing without, if you place a thumb up here, that's going to cage the hand and your hand is not going to move properly. That's going to create a lot of tension in your arm. And a few days later, your arm is going to hurt. So you're going to take the hand, you're going to place the thumb right in the center. And now you are ready to play. As you're playing different notes, sometimes you're going to get really focused in what you're doing. You're going to forget about everything I just said. You're going to get really tense. Your back is going to crumble. Your hand is going to be all tense. And then a few days later, you're not going to feel right. So once in a while, it's a good idea to just stop and think about your position. Think about your posture, okay? So if you think about that, you think about just stretching your hand. Make sure it's nice and relaxed. Place it over the strings. Do the same thing with your fretting hand. Just stretch it out. Make sure it's not tense. It's nice and relaxed. You have your thumb where it needs to go. And then you continue to play. That's going to help you play the instrument better. It's going to help you also produce a better sound. And in the long run, you're going to be able to practice a lot more because you're not going to get tired. Think about that.